Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my collection obsession, and you should see two videos today. The first day of 30 Days of Sketches and this one. So if you haven't seen that one yet, you'll want to go over and see that. Now, everybody that's playing with their collection obsession this month, everybody will be showing their collection obsession this month. Today for this. I should probably start over, but I'm not going to. Okay, so my collection obsession is a Mintay, of course, and it's Autumn Splender. I almost started all the autumn things a little bit early, but I thought this will be good to start now. And so anyway, this is page 1. And I just love these colors. I love when they mix like the turquoise and the orange together. It's just so pretty. And look at the shade of these. They're like a faded pink. They're so pretty. And then the back looks like a blanket. Let's see, can I do this? Okay, and then this one looks like a porch, which is so pretty. And it's got a little bit of blue in the, well, it's kind of a bluish gray in the pumpkins. So pretty. And then these leaves. Again, we have the squirrel showing up all the time. Oh, and we have a, what is he called? He's not a groundhog. He's a hedgehog. And this is just so pretty. All of them are so pretty. And I love this. It's just so, it looks so realistic. And these pumpkins. I just love these pumpkins. I could cut them out all day long, but I'm not going to. Well, maybe. This is just not me, unless I would use it like with, you know, something like this. So I definitely will be using this. I definitely wouldn't take the other over this. It's just so pretty. I love pumpkins. And this here, isn't this just stunning? Oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. The colors are just so beautiful. I want to see if I'd like it this way too. Or this way. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. I almost feel like I haven't looked at it before, and I have. And there's the back, so pretty. But I would never ever take this over the flowers. Okay, and here's the 3x4 cards, and they are just gorgeous. Look at the white bike. It almost fades into the background, but it's so pretty. And I love the rocker on the porch. Just gorgeous. Pie. And here's the back. This is like a little sampling of that one. Okay. And then we're back to the very beginning again, right? Yep. Okay. Okay, and then the extras that I have. I bought the sticker, the word sheet, the paper stickers, words. And this is the first time having these. Now when they came, these were kind of popped up, but I think it's maybe because it's a little bit sticky there. Now I really feel like I should start over. I forgot that I had these things in the back. So I pulled in some of these Echo Park woods, because sometimes I want something in the back, you know, just even if I would take this and trim it down a little bit and have this in the back, just look at how pretty that looks together. I just love it. Okay, so I put in 2 of these, and then I have, let's see, I think I just have 1 of these. If I need another one, I'll have to go and find it, but I don't know, I might have already used it, but look at how pretty that looks with it. And I would want to run it this way, I think, when I see it with it. I love that. And so I wanted one that was the darker brown. So I pulled this one, you know, that's when I pulled this one out. It kind of has these browns in here. And then I thought it'd be nice to have one that has the orange tones in it. And look at how gorgeous that is with it. So I pulled out those, and I almost forgot to show you these because they were at the bottom of all that. So I bought an extra one of these. This is the one that came with it. And then I bought an extra one, and this is the back of it, the sweater, or a blanket. And this one really looks like a throw. Looks like it feels so soft. So I stopped buying the little packages that were laser cut. But I gotta tell you, I'm so far behind. I'm thinking next time I might just have to buy those again. But it's just easier to buy this for $2.50 than the little package for $10. So, but look at how pretty all the embellishments are. So you got the same animals, and you got the fence with the pumpkins, the beautiful flowers. Got a typewriter. Of course, there's pie, camera. It is just gorgeous. And the camera looks like it's leather and metal. I love it. So pretty. Okay, and then I had to run back and get this because I had thought, I totally forgot this. So it has a scene on the back, and there's only one of that because it's on the cover. And I mean, it's like if you decided not to use the other side, you could cut out these little pieces and make banners or something out of them. Okay, and then the back, it has the deer as your back cover. So there's only one of those. And then now the embellishments that are here, if they're here, they're different. Okay, I'm just gonna show you both sides at once. Unless I need to turn it. But beautiful fall colors. I always love the burlap. And this is so pretty. There's more leaves. That's pretty. This is like a blanket or a rug. I love this. This is very much like the one in, what's the one I did? The month before last. It's called something Charms, Rustic Charms. And so you've got these here, which actually I'm gonna pull one of these out, maybe. I'll tell you, they really stick those things in there. So I need to cut those out and these out. And look at that little girl. So pretty. The puppies, the other animals. So you get a deer in this and a fox. And then you have the rocker, the books, and the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I love books and pumpkins. Okay, that is so pretty. And I love the little acorns and chestnuts or whatever they are. Oh, excuse me. I got up too early the last couple days. So I think we're back to the beginning now. Yep, okay. And that's repeated 3 times in here. Pretty sure, yeah, 3 times. Okay, so there's those. I put in the woods, the gorgeous papers. I got some words this time. And it's the first time I bought those. I just thought so I'm gonna pull this up here so you can kind of see. Well, I'm gonna put this up here so you can see the beautiful color. Okay, so I think I actually got this as a free gift one time when I purchased something. Pretty sure. And so I stenciled it so I could see what it looks like. And it's like, oh, yeah, gotta have that in there. And then I got this as a free gift. And it's just this gingham here. And this is what that looks like. Oh, I should probably show you. I'm gonna take that out of the way. So I'm just gonna show you this without the glare. And I just did, you know, just a light rub over it so that I could see what it looked like, and look at how great that would look on there. So I'm gonna pull that in because it's a nice fall thing, or and I could pull it in for winter. And then Maureen had sent me this. So it says Hello Fall. So I could always use that too. And I'm gonna keep putting these aside because of the glare. And this was, I think, when I ordered from Echo Park during one of their sales, I'd gotten this. And now these look so much more realistic, so I don't know if I'd actually use these or not. I'm thinking maybe probably not, now that I've taken a good look. Okay, so I'm just going to take those out because I won't use them. Now Maureen also sent me these. And now these look more realistic. They got beautiful words in here. And I love a little navy with these colors. And so I could use any of those. Here's some turquoise. This is a little darker, but I think it would still work. The autumn would work fine. These little tags would work. And like these would work. I love fall most of all, so I could use these, and I could use even the little houses. So I could use these pretty easily in this. So I'm going to put this in here too. So that is what will be in my collection this month. And I'm actually making this video early because I'm hoping to decide what pictures I'm going to put with this, because every month it's like I'm just struggling to figure out what I'm using for my collection obsession. And so I'm going to try to do it ahead, especially now this month. So have a wonderful day. Remember to go watch the other ladies that are doing the collection obsession to see what they're going to be using this month. And if you haven't seen my first day of 30 Days of Sketches, go check that out. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.